Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Open Device Manager window, then expand Network Adapters. Right click here, select Update Drivers. Now just follow my screen. Then go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, download and install the latest version. After that, go to Additional option and check these two options. After that, download and install. Once done, again click on Update Drivers, check this one, select Next. The Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then go to search bar, type Chrome, open Google Chrome web browser. Then in the search bar type this link. You will get this link in the description below. So just copy and paste here and open this window. After that, download this setup file. Double click on it, select as, then click on Next, check this option and simply click on Install. This will take some time to complete the installation progress. Once done, click on Finish. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.